Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Geography with Shyamal. In this class, we are going to discuss about determinants of electoral behavior. This is an important topic in our political geography for UGC NET examination. Okay, this is the course overview. We will discuss the definition and introduction, understanding what is electoral behavior as a geographical phenomena, socioeconomic determinants, caste, religion, class, gender, and occupation, geographic and spatial factors, region, rural-urban divide, and ecological zones, political and institutional factors, party affiliation, leadership, and electoral systems, psychological and cultural factors, identity, ideology, and media influence, key theories and models, ecological approach, voting behavior, and models. Okay, first of all, definition and introduction. Electoral behavior refers to the actions and decisions of voters during elections. In political geography, it is studied to understand spatial patterns of voting and the factors that influence voters' choices. Okay, electoral geography. This is a subfield of political geography. It examines spatial aspects of elections. Voting behavior, how and why people vote in particular ways across space and time. Psephology, scientific study of elections, voting patterns, and electoral systems. Geopolitical context, electoral behavior shaped by local, regional, and national factors. Socioeconomic determinants. Caste. Most powerful factor in South Asian democracies, caste-based voting is prevalent. Vote bank politics, Jati Biradari networks shape electoral outcomes in India. Religion. Religious identity influences voting in communally sensitive regions. Minority-majority dynamics play a key role. Religious mobilization by political parties is common. Class and income, upper, middle, and lower class voting patterns different. Economic inequality shapes political preference. Class consciousness more evident in urban areas. Gender gap in voting visible in many democracies. Women increasingly influence electoral outcomes. Gender-sensitive issues drive women's vote. Ethnicity and language, linguistic and ethnic identity shapes regional politics. Language movements have electoral consequences. Subnational identity very powerful. Education and literacy, educated voters more issue-oriented. Literacy increases electoral participation and rational voting. Education reduces populist influences. Okay, these are some socioeconomic determinants of voting behavior. Caste, religion, class and income, gender, ethnicity and language, and education and literacy. Okay, geographic and spatial factors. Okay, regional factors. Regional identity and subnationalism shape voting. Core periphery differences in political engagement. Tribal belts often vote along ethnic community lines. Hill versus plains voting behavior differs significantly. Border districts have unique security-driven concerns. Coastal communities influenced by fisheries ecology issues. Rural-urban divide, urban voters, rural voters, issue-based, well-oriented, and caste and community-based. Higher education and media access in urban areas, patron-client relationship in rural voters, demand accountability and local leader loyalty, class consciousness politics, subsistence-focused issues, liberal, reform-oriented, and traditional and conservative. Okay, these are the difference between urban voters versus rural voters. Then political and institutional factors, party affiliation, leadership candidates, electoral systems, manifesto and issues, money and resources, and electoral laws. Okay, party affiliation, strong party loyalty, party identification model, hereditary political affiliations in families, party manifestos, and ideological alignment. Then leadership and candidates, charismatic leaders attract voters across classes, candidates, caste, community background matters. Anti-incumbency factor is common in India. Electoral system, first past the post versus proportional representation. Gerrymandering affects spatial voting patterns. Delimitation of constituencies is critical. Manifesto and issues, development promises drive rural vote. Welfare schemes and populist measures, local versus national issue lines varies. Money and resources, campaign financing influences election outcomes. Vote buying and investment in low-income areas. Media spending space shapes perception. Electoral laws, model code of conduct by election commission, reservation of constituencies for SC/ST voters, EVM and NOTA, introduction and impact. Psychological and cultural factors. Political socialization, 90%. Family, school, peer groups shape political beliefs from childhood. Media and social movement, 82%. News framing, propaganda, fake news influence voter perception. National identity and ideology, 75%. Nationalism, secularism, and ideological leaning drive choices. Peer group influence, 65%. Community opinion leaders mobilize voters at grassroots levels. Fear and insecurity, 70%. Security threats, religious polarization create fear-based voting. Apathy and alienation, 45%. Voter cynicism and low turnout in urban middle classes. Relative influence of psychological and cultural factors on electoral behavior. Our key theories and models. Ecological approach. 6 feet by 6 feet, electoral choices are rooted in geography, soil type, geology, topography influence political tradition, and these 6 feet work in finance is the classic example. Sociological model, Colombia, Lazarsfeld et al. Voting is determined by social group membership, religion, caste, class, residence. A person thinks politically as he is socially. Psychological model by Michigan, party identification is the key psychological predisposition. Campbell et al. Proposed the funnel of causality model of voting behavior. A rational choice model, Downs 1957, voters act like rational actors and choose parties that maximize their utility. Spatial theory of voting based on issue proximity. Core periphery model, Rokan, political cleavage emerge from historical center-periphery conflicts. Geographic course dominant, while peripheries maintain distinct political identities. Issue voting model, modern approach, voters choose based on salient issues like development, corruption, or security rather than identity, prominent in educated urban electorate. Okay, electoral geography in India. Spatial patterns, Hindi belt, BJP's dominant stronghold since 1990s. South India, regional parties dominant, DMK, TRS, YSRCP. Northeast India, ethnicity-driven politics, multiple parties. Tribal belts, Jharkhand, Mukti Morcha, tribal parties. West Bengal, left versus TMC, bipolar contest. Punjab, Akali Dal influence among Sikh community. Swing states, UP, Maharashtra, Bihar decide the mandate. Congress dominance in post-independence era declining. Key electoral factors, 453 Lok Sabha constituencies, 4,800 plus Vidhan Sabha seats, all states. 96.8 crore registered voters according to 2024. 18 years minimum voting age, NOTA, none of the above since 2013. ECI, Election Commission of India, 1950. Okay, UGC NET exam must known points. Okay, theories, Sikh field, ecology and geography approach, Colombia model, social group theory, Michigan model, party identification, Downs, rational choice, spatial theory, Rokan, core periphery, cleavage model. Psephology, study of elections, gerrymandering, manipulation of boundaries, vote bank, committed block of voters, anti-incumbency, voting against ruling party, plotting voter, undecided swings between parties. Factors to remember, caste, class, religion in India, hierarchy, rural community-based, urban issue-based. Media influence increasing in digital age, women's voting now exceeds men in many states, NOTA and its impact on spoiled votes. Okay, electoral behavior is multi-causal, no single factor determines voting outcomes. Geographic, regional and spatial factors create distinct voting in landscapes across nations. Socioeconomic factors like caste, class, religion remain the most powerful determinants in India. Psychological and cultural factors, socialization, media, ideology are gaining importance. Electoral systems, delimitation and institutional factors mediate electoral behavior. Multiple models, ecological, sociological, Michigan, rational choices explain different aspects. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.